Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclopentane ring is given. You have two oxygen, one phenyl group above the plane, one phenyl group below the plane. You have two methyl group which is also above and below the plane. You have to find the topicity of methyl group, whether they are enantiotopic, diastereotopic or homotopic. Here the common mistake is everybody thinks cyclopentane means envelope structure. It is not greatly envelope. It is just a normal structure because of heteroatom oxygen. The oxygen creates the planarity. Hence it has symmetry which is C2 axis. So C2 axis happened. So you have two methyl groups are in the relations of C2 180 degree rotation. The compound with 180 degree rotation often considered as homotopic. So it's a homotopic proton. Why the topicity is important? Because homotopic protons give same NMR signal rather than different. So topicity decides the NMR signal. Here the concept you have to learn here is the protons with C2 relation will have same topicity which is homotopic. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.